Hello, and welcome to our Block of the Month headquarters. I'm Miss Pat. Today we're going to be talking about Amish with a Twist 5. We've done several Amish with a Twist quilts, and they're quite popular with our Block of the Month program. Over here we have our precision cut fabrics. The cool thing about Amish with a Twist 5 is that the fabrics are pre-cut for you, so you're not going to have to worry about cutting anything. Everything is pre-cut. So it'll be in 3 separate packages. I personally love the color wave. As y'all know, with the Amish, all their colors are very bright and cheery. No patterned fabrics are ever in any quilt that the Amish have ever done. So you're going to have 3 separate individual packages here. Then you're going to have your pattern. This is a 10-month program. You can sign up for this on our Stitchin Heaven website. The pattern book is very detailed. It goes through month by month on which block that you're going to be doing at that time. We also have in your package, we have a welcome letter. Now in this welcome letter, there are 4 QR codes. You're going to have our Facebook group, you'll have our fabric key, and then you can subscribe to our newsletter for Block of the Month. And there's also a QR code there for updating your billing information. You can also go to stitchinheaven.com, click on Block of the Month, scroll down, click on the link, and you can pick, if not this one, we have several options that you can choose from. On our fabric key, on our welcome letter here, the most important one is our Facebook group. Click on that QR code and it will take you to lots of other people that are doing Amish with a Twist 5 as well. And you can take pictures of your progress or your critters if you happen to have one. I know cats are quite popular with quilts. So if you've got pictures you'd like to post on that, we would love to see them. Thank you so much for tuning in today and have a blessed afternoon.